Bán các bạn.
Yo, what's up? Today I'm in the Bali Uluwatu. Yeah, Bali obviously. In Uluwatu. Uluwatu, Bali has surfing paradise spots. I'm trying to say as many times Bali and Uluwatu today and surfing as possible. I hear that's good for the promoting my videos on YouTube. More time I'm gonna say Bali Uluwatu, where is the title. More people will reach my video. So, well, this is how it looks, the situation in Bali Uluwatu surfing paradise. Yeah, but no more jokes. Monkey's playing. It's very quiet. It's actually deadly quiet, you know what I mean, guys? This is the really surfing paradise and the most famous spot in Uluwatu for surfers. In full Bali actually, but it's dead. I mean, nobody is here, no surfers. I need to find a nice surfer girl to make a thumbnail, you know, but I think that will be difficult. Yo, what's up, guys?
Good, bro!
Whoa! Yeah, so some local people only here. We will see how is the situation over here. Yo, what's up? I'm gonna go down to the beach. Normally I used to be at least once a month here. As you follow me longer, I wanna try the bar on the other side of the cliff. If not, I will go to the top. We will see. Now is the beach.
I'm hoping what I said could make you change your mind, though it doesn't really matter when my hands are tied. I'm trying to walk across the bridges that I've burned. My only way to you is gone, the tide has turned. So give me a light, show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies.
Alright, I wanna go there to the bar, but I'm not sure if it's open. But I will show you the beach first. It's very nice and very quiet, as you can see.
Your heartbeat.
Well, as you can see, it's very low tide, and I'm over here next to the caves. I mean, under the caves, inside the caves, like there is the beach. It's so bright. Yeah, not so many surfers. I don't know if I'm gonna find any nice girl, surfer girl. But the title of today's video will be Bali Uluwatu Paradise, Surfer Paradise, something like that. And it's supposed to be a nice surfer girl. Well, or at least surfer guy. However, will be difficult. If not, you will see my face on the thumbnail again. Well, I'm not as handsome, but yeah. Anyway, beautiful sunset today. Lovely. Nice vibes like always.
Learn to bite my tongue, hold back my thoughts, but deep inside I feel just like an astronaut. I was in the corner of my mind, got trapped inside. I forgot to look beyond and see the other side. So give me a light, show me what I need. I
Well, as you saw, it's very beautiful beach here in Bali Uluwatu. However, super quiet and empty, and so many stairs now. Honestly, I'm not sure if the bar is open over there, but I wanna try, because this is bar very close on the bottom of the rocks, very close. It's like a very loud because of waves hitting the bar and everything. However, yeah, like I said, it's closed. So sad. Check this out. Doors are locked, and over here is the barricade. Alright, maybe I will trespass this place. Maybe not. Maybe yes. I forgot. Yeah, but there is the like a private pool, but it's okay. I will go to the different bar then.
Now that's an understatement. To walk alone, I guess it's my repayment. Please give me a light.
So tired. You see these buildings over here? If you are surfer and familiar with the area, you know, as they are surfboards, doctors ding, and the photographers and everything. Everything, completely everything over here is deadly quiet. It's closed. Well, I don't want to say it's the bankruptcy, because maybe not. However, they closed the business and it's sunset time. So it's just unbelievable. And I'm still looking for the girl with the surfboard to make a video of her, or at least picture, of course, if she agree. However, it's no people. I don't know. I wanna go now have a drink somewhere, maybe in different place than Single Fin as usual, because last 3 vlogs here I used to be in Single Fin. I'll go to different bar if it's open. However, oh my god, so hot here in Bali Uluwatu. This girl wants to sell me something. Nothing I can do. I wanted to sit actually in the bar down there, but there's quite many people sitting next to each other. That's not the safest. I will go to Single Fin. At least it will be at the top, so no need to climb anymore. I'm so tired. So by the way, guys, this morning I was in Ubud and I saw the one Balinese married couple. You know, the Balinese wedding, the traditional outfit is very like big strong makeup, very beautiful dress for the woman, and also nice clothes for the man, and they wearing the crowns, you know, like not really, but of course the crowns, very huge golden crowns. And it was so sad. They was driving like a very old VW Volkswagen car, the Cabrio one, like I showed you once on my vlog. You know, if you've ever been in Bali, you know what I mean. That's Volkswagen Safari, if I'm not mistaken. Doesn't matter. And they was wearing like a mask like this. So could you imagine, girl, beautiful girl, Balinese girl, having like a beautiful Balinese outfit. Only once in the lifetime she get married. Balinese people mostly they not divorced. Well, that's possible, but doesn't matter. And she wear like, I know it's for safety reason. I totally understand, and that's good. However, that looks so bad. Who wanna come to Bali and see stuff like this? And I also saw the some traditional dance, very beautiful girls, but wearing like a white and red masks. That's looks bad. I mean, yeah, I don't know, what should I say? Alright, anyway, not much is happening here. I will go have a drink, Coke probably. Still waiting for the surfer girl. I asked one guy, as there are some chicks still in the ocean, However, I'm not sure. We'll see. If not, I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies of your heartbeat.
Alright, that was very beautiful sunset, like usual. In Uluwatu is really beautiful sunset. However, I didn't find the girl. Sorry guys. However, I will show you the beautiful sunset at the end of the video, like usual from this place. And I'm still looking for the for the surfer girls, but no luck today. Having my coke. Cheers, guys. Wanna make some small Q&A. Vanessa wanna ask me, Damian, do you plan what you do, your vlog and up front? No, mostly not. Mostly like today, 4 p.m. I didn't know what I'm gonna do today. I just knew it. I have to make a vlog, so I just decided I come here and here we go. Hope so you enjoyed. But however, sometimes I plan. Sometimes I make some plans. That mostly when we are going to the hotel or abroad or something, travel. I film I'm dirty here. However, mostly I'm not planning, and usually if no plan, the vlog is better. Second question, somebody asked me, Damian, do you prefer to drive by car or by bike in Bali? Honestly, I love driving anyway. It doesn't matter what I drive. Driving by bike is faster, cheaper, but it's much more dangerous. Driving by car is more comfortable because of aircon, seating, definitely much more safer. However, it's kinda little bit more expensive. In Bali, maybe not really, because the petrol is cheap to compare to the Europe, especially. However, it's still more expensive. This monkey trying to steal something. Lindy wanna know, how long do you live, Damian, in Bali? I'm living in Bali since beginning of 2016, so it will be more than 4 years right now. However, I used to come to Bali many times before, and also I used to coming often to Malaysia and Singapore. That was before that. Now I'm living in Bali because Winnie is from Bali. That's really beautiful sky here in Bali Uluwatu, as you can see. Like I said, Bali Uluwatu, place for the surfers, surfers paradise, and the best sunset in Bali. Alright, no more questions. However, if you have any more questions, just comment below. I will try to answer in the next Q&A. And I will go home soon, but still have to finish my drink. And beautiful sky color. Check this out. Alright guys, that was very beautiful sunset, and I think that will be enough for today's vlog. Like always, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, comment as well. That's very help us a lot. Like always, new vlog at 7 p.m. Bali time, so something new tomorrow. Stay tuned, stay safe, see ya, take care guys.
I've heard a story, I've heard it said, I've come to believe that love is a bet. Sometimes you win and sometimes you lose, and sometimes it calls you right in the move. Come to my table, come to my bed, go easy my hunger, easy my head, bringing me fire, bringing me water, taking me high, taking me down. Give me your pretty, give me your messy, give me your happy, give me your sad. I may be staying, I may be going, I may be left, I may fall apart. Come to my table, come to my bed, go easy my hunger, easy my head, bringing me fire, bringing me water, taking me high, taking me down. Come to my table, come to my bed, go